Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Well, normally when we make chapatis at home, we always enjoy it with some nice side dish. But today I'm going to make a dish that's made just with chapatis. Today we are going to make a simple and delicious meal by itself. This is Chilli Chapathi. Have you tried anything different with chapatis? Any interesting meal or any interesting recipe? Let me know in the comment section below. To begin, here are the ingredients we'll be using. For this recipe, I have taken 10 chapatis. I've rolled them a little thicker than usual so they can stay a little crisp even after mixing with the masala. Place about 4 chapatis on the cutting board at a time and chop them into pieces. Cutting them in batches makes it easier and faster. I'm slicing them into square shapes, but you're completely free to cut them into any shape you like. Keeping the pieces slightly thick works well for this recipe, as they stay firm and hold all the flavors beautifully while cooking. Next, take a white kadai and heat 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and a small piece of ginger finely chopped. Next, add 2 green chilies finely chopped. Saute everything well till you smell that wonderful aroma. You can easily adjust the number of chilies depending on how spicy you want your dish to be. And then add 4 finely chopped onions. Keep the flame on medium and saute the onions for about 5 minutes until they turn slightly golden and soft. After that, add the puree of 4 tomatoes into the kadai. Let this cook until the raw smell disappears and the tomatoes blend with the onions. Now it's time to season. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything nicely so the spice combines with the onion and tomato mixture. Once the masala is well mixed, add in the sauces. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of Schezwan sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. So I have used Schezwan sauce to give that nice spicy taste and flavor. But in case you don't have that, don't worry, you can just use regular chili powder instead of Schezwan sauce. So that's just an option for you. I have already made a recipe on how to make homemade Schezwan sauce. I'll give you the link in the description. You can check it out. Mix everything well and now add capsicum wedges. I'm using green capsicum today, but you can use any color you have. The capsicum gives a beautiful crunch and adds wonderful color to the dish. So what else can we add to this dish to make it a lot more interesting? Be it veg or non-veg, let me know in the comment section. Continue cooking on medium flame for a few more minutes until the oil begins to separate from the masala. This means the masala is nicely cooked. Now it's time to add the chapati pieces. Mix them well so that every piece gets coated with a flavorful masala. Sprinkle a generous amount of freshly chopped coriander leaves, mix once again and turn off the stove. Our chilli chapati is ready to be served. Now this is a fantastic change from the usual chapati and gravy we serve. Kids love this because of its tangy and mild spicy taste. It's perfect for lunch boxes, even snacks or a quick dinner. Well, the chilli chapati is ready and I can't wait to try it. It's just perfect. The chapati pieces have absorbed all those beautiful flavors. The spice is just amazing. Extremely delicious dish. Well, who knew with just chapatis you can make such interesting and tasty dishes. Don't miss out on this one, guys. So next time you're thinking about making chapatis, try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys. And if you want to see more interesting recipes like this one, do let me know in the comment section below. Share it with your family and friends and enjoy. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.